Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. That was weird. In today's video, I'm doing a skincare unboxing. Ooh. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the Lorna Luxe and RODIAL collab box. A couple of weeks ago, Lorna launched this box in collaboration with RODIAL, and I feel like for the last couple of weeks, I've just been really, I've been really obsessed with Lorna. You know, I've been buying her collections within the style. I've been watching her stories a lot and just really, I feel like just really like connecting with her and just really wanting to support her. Like I said in a previous video, her personality is amazing. She's really nice. She's really kind. You can tell that she's got such a big heart. And I think when you come across people like that, you naturally just want to support them. So, you know, I was like, okay, let me get the box. The box was also a really great deal. The box in total was £75, but one of the items inside the box is £75. So you've already saved a lot of money. So the actual worth of the box was, I think, £169, but you got it just for £75. You guys know me, I love skincare, I love a bargain, and I love to support people. So naturally, I bought the box. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. Also, this arrived, so it actually took about a week to arrive. I think partly because of the virus that's going around, and then partly because this box actually sold out. Okay, I feel like I need a backstory time. So when I bought this set, I actually struggled to buy this because the website crashed like a million times. The box sold out in the first 20 minutes. I mean, I was lucky enough to buy it like within the first 20 minutes. This box sold out like 3 times. It was literally quite insane. So I think that's why it also took a while for me to receive it, because they must have been receiving so many orders. But you know, that just goes to show the power of Lorna. You know, people literally from all over the place are wanting to support her. And also, guys, this box has many good goodies in there. So yes, so let me unbox. This is the box. Okay, wow. So, ooh. Okay, so this is the Lorna RODIAL collab bag. I've also received 2 samples in here. So this is the bag. Ooh, ew. This is cute. So this will make a really nice like travel bag. So before I get into everything, there is a card here. So this is a Lorna Luxe card. So let me just read the back of the card. So this card says, "This is my first time curating a beauty box. I feel ever so chuffed to be doing this with RODIAL. Whether you're new to the brand or a long-time super fan like me, I'm excited for you to immerse yourself in my little black box. From snake jelly eye masks, my Luxettes will be well versed on these. That is very true. To my 2020 obsession for Vitsy eye souffle, everything in this box is designed to pamper you and make you feel like a princess. £1 from the sale of each box will go to brilliant and life-saving charity Women's Aid. Now more than ever, women deserve to be empowered. Lots of love, Lorna Luxe." So that is what this card says. This is really cute. So now let's get into the unboxing. The thing is, guys, as I've said about a million times, I am a massive fan of Lorna, and I watch her morning routine videos on Insta stories. If you're not following her, I really think you should, because she is very funny, and you know, I just love watching people do their makeup, do their skincare. You discover so many new products. So as she mentioned in this note, that many of her fans like watch her videos, and so I've been seeing like her using all of these products, which makes me super excited to try them out. Okay, where to start? Do you know, I'm gonna start with the Vitsy eye souffle. This, I think, was like the cornerstone of the box. This eye souffle is actually £75. So by buying the whole box for the price of this, I mean, what an actual bargain. Lorna loves this. She uses this every day. She really enjoys using this serum. As you guys know, I'm currently using the Dermalogica Biolumin C eye serum, and I've said before that I'm not really loyal to eye creams or eye products. I just kind of like bounce around between them. In fact, up until like a month or two ago, I wasn't really even consistently using eye cream. So, you know, I'm definitely not loyal to an eye cream at all. So I figured that it would be nice to give this one a whirl just to see how I like it. On the box, it says this rich eye cream has 2% vitamin C for visibly brighter, more even looking under eye. So this has vitamin C, a visible dark circle reducing formula, skin firming ingredients, and visible wrinkle reducing actives. Interesting. So you're supposed to use this morning and night, and it says that you're supposed to cleanse with a Vit C brightening cleanser and then apply the face souffle and then the eye souffle. I only got the cleanser, so I guess we'll have to see how this works out. This is the box. It looks very nice, I have to say. This has a very retro vibe. If you didn't know, the owner, Maria Hatzistefanis, I think I'm saying that right, she is also the creator of Nip and Fab, which is like a cheaper, more affordable skincare line. You can tell that they're related because the packaging is very similar. This kind of feels like a more like grown-up version of the Nip and Fab packaging. So that is the eye souffle. I'm quite intrigued by that. I love anything vitamin C. Keeping on the vitamin C path, next I have the RODIAL Vit C brightening cleanser. This is like a sample. I was looking on the website, I think this sample is £9. So it's a small 20ml bottle. So this is the RODIAL Vit C brightening cleanser. This high-tech daily gel cleanser is infused with a skin invigorating blend of pure vitamin C and exfoliating fruit AHAs to leave skin with an illuminating boost. Gently massage into damp skin, avoiding the delicate eye area. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. Ooh, I love a cleanser, I have to say. Cleansers are another thing that I'm not really loyal to. I will pretty much use anything as long as it feels nice on my skin and actually like properly cleans my skin. I'm looking forward to trying this. I think especially using this with the eye souffle, I think that will be nice to see how they pair together. I now wish that I had the face cream to use all three of them together, but you know, my loss, I guess. Next up, I have these jelly eye patches. So Lorna says that these are good for if you're going to be wearing makeup for a long time and you don't want your like eye makeup, like your concealer, powder, foundation to like crease underneath your eye. So she loves using these. This says that this freezes and smooths. So I guess this does just make a nice kind of like layer for your eye. I don't wear a ton of makeup. I don't wear concealer or anything. So I think I want to know what these will just be like in terms of just helping reduce my baggage, my literal eye baggage. I've got a lot of eye baggage. This visibly relax and diminish the look of crow's feet and under eye expression lines with the powerful effects of 1% snake tripeptide to actively freeze under eye muscle contractions for a plump, smooth and rejuvenated under eye area. Unique jelly texture supports the delivery of actives to the eye area and reduces the look of under eye puffiness. Glycerin plumps and smooths fine lines. Snake tripeptide targets under eye wrinkles by visibly relaxing facial muscles. And you're basically just supposed to put them on for like 20 to 30 minutes and then you throw them out afterwards. Easy enough. You know, I feel like the last time I did an eye patch was like 2 or 3 years ago and I wrote about it on my blog, but I've not really done eye patches in a while. So I will look forward to trying these out. I think my eyes aren't really like an issue for me, so I think I'll just be trying these out more so just for like experimental purposes. I don't know how many are in here. A 1 sachet of 2 patches, so I guess there's just like 1 set. I can't tell. When I use them I'll let you guys know. So yeah, so that is these. Okay, then next up I have their bronze glow drops. Lorna uses these pretty much every single day, and I know that like bronzing and tanning, it is a bit like controversial, especially if you are black or like dark skinned, slash usually like bronzing products, they're not all formulated the same. So what could look good for someone who's a bit paler, it just ends up looking ashy and dry on someone who is my skin tone or darker. But I'm quite intrigued to know how these will work on my skin specifically. I think for me, obviously I'm not looking to tan or to get darker. I'm more just looking for like a highlight, something to just make me glow a bit more, because in recent weeks I've just been loving how my skincare comes out and my skin just looks so like luminous and just very bright and sunny, but then sometimes by like the afternoon, like 2 or 3 p.m, my skin starts looking a bit dull, a bit sad looking, and I just want something that's going to help keep and maintain that brightness throughout the day. So I was very intrigued about these bronze drops, and you know, they're free in the box, so I'm happy to get to try them out. This is an illuminating skin perfector, and I think you really see the instant difference. I think if you are pale, then these kind of come out looking more like tanned, but I'm hoping that because I'm dark and this is kind of dark, that it won't tan so much, but just give me more of like a bright sheen, a bright glow. When I try these, you know, we will see how this ends up looking. So this says bronze, blur imperfections and illuminate with bronze glow drops. This lightweight instant tan visibly reduces fine lines and wrinkles while providing a wash of colour and a hydrated dewy skin effect. Naturally radiant illuminated finish visibly reduces the look of fine lines, long lasting finish, imperfection blurring. So yes, so that is what this is. I am a bit nervous because it does say instant tan and I've never used tanning products before, and I'm a bit like, ooh, I don't know, but we will see how this works out. I can't remember how much this is. I think this was like £30 or something. Do you know what, let me get the website up real quick. How much are they? Okay, so these glow drops are £49. So again, you think, what a bargain. These are £49 and the whole bag was worth £75. And then last but by no means least, I have some mascara. So this is the RODIAL Mascara XXL Extreme Lash Maximizer, and this is in the colour Mink. You guys know that for mascara, I want my mascara black, I want it extra black, I want it black, 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 because I like my lashes to be clumpy, thick, just like fake lash effect looking lashes is what I want from my mascara. So I was a bit about this mascara being in the colour Mink, because for me Mink just sounds like it's brown, but on the website it doesn't look brown. It's like a black, but it's not like a pigmented black. So when I try this, I will see what it looks like when lots of it has been applied on, but we will see that in time. So this mascara is £29, definitely more expensive than what I would personally pay for mascara. You guys know that I'm quite cheap with my makeup, just because I believe that if you have good skin, you don't need to spend that much money on makeup. That's just my philosophy. I would rather spend money on skincare and on expensive skincare products that work than spend it on makeup that you wash off and that doesn't really have much of an impact on your face, if that makes sense. That's just me anyway. So this is the mascara. What does this say? So this Extreme Mink Lash Maximizer is for amplified volume, and yeah, I guess you just use it how you use any normal regular mascara. Guys, I've not worn mascara in the longest time. I think I might just start wearing it, just because I kind of miss wearing mascara. I miss having my lashes just look so bombastic and just like whew. When I was ordering, RODIAL let me pick 2 samples. They only had like 1 skincare sample and then everything else was makeup. So I got the Vitsy Eye Souffle as the sample. So I might use this first before I get onto the big jar. And then I picked up their skin tint. This was the darkest color that they had. If this is your darkest color that you have as a sample, listen, I'm not gonna say anything because this is not that kind of video. This is just an unboxing video. But yeah, let me just leave it at that. Okay guys, so that was my Lorna Luxe RODIAL collab box unboxing. I hope you liked this video. Let me know if you've tried any of these products. Have you shopped on RODIAL before? What are your impressions of their products? I'm actually quite looking forward to trying this stuff out. Obviously, when I start to use this stuff, I will be filming videos, so you will see how I like things, you will see my first impressions of them, and eventually, like, as I use them, kind of like how things go. So make sure you stay tuned to those videos. If you've watched my previous video, I think before this one, it was about the Lorna Luxe in the Style collab. You will recognize this. This is the Lullaby hoodie. Fun fact, I just filmed that video. I literally just filmed that video before this one, so I'm staying in this jumper. This hoodie is just so great. When I first tried it on, I wasn't too sure about it, but now I've literally been in it for about an hour. I'm obsessed, and I'm gonna get the other color. This is supposed to be stone, but it looks more blush, and I'm wearing the blush shorts, and they actually match like 80% to each other. So yes, let me just show you guys. So look, so this is the jumper. We be matching. Anyway, my camera's about to die, so I'm going to stop blabbering on at this point. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. And in the meantime, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.